Hey, everyone. Today we're diving into the amazing world of Jerusalem mixed grill. This isn't just any street food, it's like a party in your mouth. Think of juicy meats, awesome spices, and the energy of Jerusalem all rolled into one. Every bite is a flavor explosion, a little piece of Jerusalem's history. We usually eat this with warm pita bread, creamy hummus, and a fresh Israeli salad. It's a taste sensation you won't forget. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. We need 1 pound of chicken thighs, no skin or bones, cut into small pieces. Then 1 pound of lamb shoulder, also cut into small pieces. Grab 1 big onion chopped up and 4 cloves of garlic minced. For our spices, we'll use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon each of ground cumin and coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and if you like it spicy, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Don't forget salt and pepper. And finally, we need wooden skewers. Soak them in water for at least 30 minutes so they don't burn on the grill. In a big bowl, mix the chicken and lamb with the onion, garlic, olive oil, cumin, coriander, turmeric, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper if you're using it, salt and pepper. Make sure the meat is covered in the mix. Cover the bowl and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This lets the flavors really sink in. Now heat your grill to medium-high. Take the meat out of the fridge and put the chicken and lamb on the skewers. Don't put too much meat on each skewer. Grill for 8 to 10 minutes, turning them so they cook evenly. The meat should be cooked all the way through and a little bit crispy on the outside. Take the skewers off the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. This makes the meat even juicier. Now serve your amazing Jerusalem mixed grill. Don't forget the warm pita bread, hummus, Israeli salad, and any other sauces you like, such as tahini or harissa. This meal will make you feel like you're right in Jerusalem. Enjoy!